When you immerse yourself in nature, your senses come alive because there is so much to absorb. It just makes me appreciate the really small things in life.
So many of us forget to slow down and pause, and these moments in nature and in the outdoors allow us to have those slow moments of healing.
Okay, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good to see you.
Okay, this is absolutely beautiful.
So obviously this is a really big time for you, taking a step back, but why have you made that decision?
As an athlete, you don't actually get time to switch off, so your mindset is constantly, I have to deliver, I have to perform.
The simplest question was, what makes you happy, Lauren?
The flexibility to just step back for a bit, to get out there and be able to be adventurous, to participate in sports, recharge my mindset, to unwind and let the pressures of trying to deliver a gold medal go for a little bit and build back up the energy and the passion so that I can push forward again in the future. I will come back like a force of nature.
As I've got older, I've definitely learned more about our impact on the environment, how connected we are.
So many people perhaps don't realise the power that the ocean and the outdoors can have for us and our livelihoods and our lifestyles. The best kind of remedy for any burnout, stress, or just, overwhelming lifestyle that you have is to actually just head out into nature and just to get outdoors. Slow down, appreciate your surroundings, take a minute to listen, to feel the environment that you're in, and it can really transform your mental and physical health. Anyone and everyone should be able to get out into nature.
It's natural beauty, it should be open to everyone. Just get out there and do it.